good job of knowing the river. She's not firing. Dying on me, man. Why? Why are you dying on me? What have I done to you? And I'm pissing fuel out. It's not a good time, to be honest. Can you hold the cigarettes, please? Oh, you bastard. I love my board. Didn't get as well. This ain't good, you know. Two tourists and a dog, clearly not having a lockdown moment. By the way, bloke comes up to us this morning. Now the sun's been beaten down on us for days. And he says, morning, he says, it's going to rain tomorrow. I says, well, cheers. I says, is it like Michael Fish rain? He went, no, not that bad. He says, but it's going to be nice for 5 days. I says, so is that 5 days of lockdown for you, is it? That's where the conversation ends, but I've been here for 4 fucking months, not moved. Built the boat, ready for a journey, and I can't go. It's like losing a limb. Good job I'm getting a lift. It's not a bad spot. I live that way. People sabotage boats and all, by the way. You can go to sleep at night and you can have your engine sabotaged in the night by someone who doesn't like you. Pirates of the Cut. So the Canal Trust guys, all them people who are around to go, the fishermen, we've seen them, we've had them. The cyclists and joggers, they're around like you won't believe. What also comes round now is kayaks, canoes. They stand you up bollocks, fucking. And then the sally boats, all these hire company shit. That's the fun and games of it all. So everybody's going to be moving together as one, I guess. I'm just going to watch the movies by the looks of it. I'm getting a tour anyway. I'm leaving in 2 days. That's guaranteed. Getting out of here. 4 months of sitting down dinners on tilt. That's all I've done. Done as I'm told. But people's opinions they're funny, man. I tell people I'm going to go like 70 mile and I'm going to come back with a boat. But do believe me when I say it. And some of them are going to miss us. And the people who have the dogs are going to miss us because I've looked after all of them. So I'm packed and ready. Definitely ready. This is a good time. I won't be denied this.